How's it going, guys? My name is Marco. Welcome to this new video. I'm trying the new camera, so I hope that the camera will do its job. I have no idea how it looks. I have no idea, but let's just try. So in this video, I want to talk about how to apply fragrances and where to apply fragrances. People make so many mistakes when applying fragrances. They spray it here and they rub it in. This is the worst mistake you can ever make. If you rub your fragrance in, you ruin the scent, you ruin the molecules of the fragrance. So the fragrance gonna last a little bit, not that long enough. And you also are gonna ruin the scent. So just don't do that. So how and where to apply fragrances? Basically, there are the best spots on your skin and on your clothes. The skin spots are the hot spots, which means the places on your skin where the blood is closer to outside, to outdoor, so that the skin is a little bit warmer there and the fragrance is gonna project and evaporate a little bit more, so the people can smell you a little bit more. And they are, for example, here on the wrists, here, or maybe here on your legs. But I think the best places to wear it in order to receive compliments is here and here, behind each ear. Let me take one fragrance so that I can show you. Here, behind the ear, and here behind the other ear. Why? Because they are hot spots. It projects a little bit more. And here, the third spot, behind your neck. So now you can leave a track of yourself. People can smell you behind you if they're following you, and people can smell you when they hug you or when they are around you because of these places. And on your clothes, you can choose between one spray here on your chest like this, or maybe one ear and one ear if you want to project a little bit more and last a bit longer. If you combine skin spots and clothing spots, then the fragrance was gonna last longer and being more easily smelling. So I think this is the best combo for your fragrance to receive compliments. So for example, one here and one here. Don't spray your fragrance too far away from you, or don't do it like this and then just go into the clouds. It's just a waste of fragrance. Don't spray too close that it leaves like leaking. Just like this. This is the right and correct distance. I think 15 centimeters or 10 centimeters, something like that. So these are the right places, depending also on the fragrance. If it's strong or if it's weak, you can choose between 2 to 5 sprays. So if you want to avoid a couple of them, just go for the chest one, don't go for the shoulder one. Or if the fragrance is strong, super strong, or maybe if you don't want to exaggerate, because if you are in the office or you are on the plane, you take some public transportation things, so you don't want to exaggerate, just go for 2 or 3 sprays. And that's it. Right now, if you spray it here on your neck, as I showed you, and if you spray it here, people can easily smell you between other people. They can smell you aside from you, behind you, when they hug you, when they're close to you, and when you're in front of you. So this is the best option. Another pro tip is just go for it. Don't be scarce with perfume. I think if you decide to wear a fragrance, you have to rock it. And so just be confident with that and put some more fragrance on you. If you're undecided between 2 or 3 sprays, just go for the 3. Just go for one spray more that you think, because other people wear fragrances. There are a lot of scents in the air, a lot of odors, so you have to smash other odors in the air and be smelled. Don't be afraid of hurting other people. It's better to be smelled than not being smelled. We are here for that. So thank you so much for watching. This was the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't rub the fragrances. Don't do that. It just ruins your fragrance. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I've been flying from town to town.